YouTube. Yes, sir. Bro, shut up, bro. YouTube. It's your boy LANEHAWK. Got a little POV for y'all boys. I'm getting right on the highway with it. But nah, boy just getting off the workplace with it. So I throw a little video in on some shit. Cause a nigga really ain't made no videos, and I ain't really just wanted to not make nothing. I wanted to make something for y'all boys. Just a little POV in the Jeep ski. I don't know, bro. I post stuff that I like doing, but stuff I like doing might seem repetitive or like, damn, this nigga doing the same thing over and over again. So really, I just want to be on some like, post something y'all want to see. Not just what I want to do. I know a lot of people been asking me about like the swap and how I've been doing it and like what's gonna be, where I'm taking it as far as like the truck and whatnot. And I got a lot planned for real. I just want y'all to stay tuned because I really got a lot planned, and I've been growing a lot really with the subscribers. I just want to that boy be getting active and but nah, I just want to we back but nah, I want to get as far better like with the community as far as like with the car scene, just bring everybody out more for orange Charger. Boy, can't mess with me. Stay humble. Take it to the crib. Oh, it's just right here. It's just right here in that Chrysler want to cut up with it. If that is a Hemi, show me some. Show me some. What radars y'all using, bro? My shit ass. That hoe did not seem to properly dictate when a police officer is nearby. Cause what the fuck? That hoe did not be working. Oh damn! Had my whole phone jumping in this bitch. What the hell? Boys getting off work after Halloween and shit. Like, I don't celebrate none of that shit, but damn, I ain't want to be at work. Kind of lame that shit is that. Bro, I'm mad as fuck right now, bro. I just stopped at the gas station, and I recorded some footage, and I didn't record it, bro. So this is take attempt 2 of me stopping at the gas station recording me, bro. Shit lame, bro. Fuck. Damn, bro. Fuck, bro. That's what we got, bro. Fucking SRT, bro. Straight A. Looking crazy. Still missing my splitter, bro. I need that whole back. Fender bender. Tell me how to fix that, please. Subscribe to LANEHAWK. You hear the noise, boys, the noise. At a random gas station late at night. Gas looking good though. No pressure. But we don't need gas. I just really can't look at you. What the fuck? What he doing? He want to interview me too. He said he want to be in the interview. Pressure. Alright, let's see. Damn, it's cold in the hole, boy. Strong gas truck. You know how we get when we get in the truck? We get active and dang, bro. There's always be some kids right there. I'm at the court one day. I always be blessing them with the bread, bro. That's what you gotta do, bro. If you got extra bread, you gotta give it to the kids, bro. Catch what the kids need. The kids need the inspiration from the people that they look up to. They be seeing my truck, and they be like, damn, dude. They be like, oh my gosh. I'm like, bro, it's attainable. Just get your mind right. Look at his ass. He trying to creep up and say, you on a race, nigga? On a race, nigga? On a race, nigga? On a race, nigga? What you trying to do? Trying to do with the light. This hoe too loud, boy. This hoe is too loud, my boy. When I tell you this hoe is too loud, bro. Bro, my foot wasn't even all the way down. Like, I don't like smashing that hoe, cause when it get to that loud point, it get like really, really, really loud, and I be like, I know it draw hella attention, bro. So I don't even like doing that. But I do like to play it a little bit. Don't get me wrong. It do be fun to just tweak around. Is my screen right, bro? Get right, get right, get right. My shit jumping so much I can't even get right into that. Alright, bet. Damn, I hope the hoe wasn't blurry half the time, bro. Usually be Jake's under that hoe too, so you gotta be careful. My phone keep bugging about storage and shit. I know I bought storage, bro. Stop bugging me, bro. And this car came flying past me, sounding like a fucking airplane, like, and they running lights, they don't get no fucks. Like a motherfucker right now. That Malibu look taller than the hoe to me. What the fuck? Y'all, this why bad peer pressure can make y'all fuck up, bro. Just watch me and this nigga driving down the street, bro. Just watch. Speeding right here, cause it's the notorious road I got my pulled the fuck over on. I was going 90 and whatever over here is, was going 90 something in it. Like, and I had just hit the gas on some first guy truck type shit, trying to just try shit out. Hit the gas. That nigga said, yes sir, come here. I'm playing no games with y'all. Some Mustang right here though. What this nigga talking about? What you talking about, cousin? What they is racing? Let me go up there with them real quick. That's what they talking about. See what y'all boys talking about. Mustang with the bike life. Go ahead, drive that hoe before I hit your bitch ass. Mustang, you don't want no smoke, do you? Yeah, nah, go home, nigga. Fuck wrong with you? That boy know he don't want no smoke. He like, should I? No, nigga, go home. Look at bike dude. Look, he got his ass tucked. He wants some smoke. On the bike, let little buddy go. Oh shit, man, you better drive that hoe a little quicker. Look, he swerving on that hoe. Swing with his ass. Did I even get my speed on that? Nigga playing around too much in the tracker. I'm gonna hit his ass, fuck around, clean his ass straight off that hoe. Leave his ass alone. Bro, just wanna be behind me, bro. Get from behind. Oh my gosh. Freaking police. Goddamn police behind. Bro, did y'all see that, bro? Bro, that is the police. Nigga. Bro, the police was behind me the whole time, bro. I'm fucking around with the Jakes, but with the Jakes behind me, bro. Ugh. Look, the bike don't care. Look, he testing their ass. See me? I'm taking to the crib. I ain't doing no testing. Oh, he don't give a fuck. That nigga taking it to the crib. See, you know me? I'm running. I'm running. Yo, nigga. Bro, I wish my shit wasn't like cutting out so much. You keep on saying like iPhone storage, but I know I got storage, so I don't know what the fuck it's talking about. And like right when bro flashed the lights, I'm thinking he pulling me over and shit. Look up, the fucking phone turn off, bro. Like, come on now. What kind of shit is that? But yeah, I'm fucking off this shit. I need to just drive this hoe correctly and properly. But really, it's finna come to an end anyway, because I'm getting real close to the crib. I can't pull up to the crib acting a fool. We already know how that go. Turn right here in this video for y'all boyos. another day with the G. But nah, just show me some love, bro. If y'all fuck with the G, if y'all fuck with the bill, if y'all wanna know more, show me some love. You see, Jake's fuck with me, obviously. But nah, just show me some love. LANEHAWK, you know how it go. Subscribe and shit. This was just a little quick video, show y'all something. I'm hit y'all back when really on this weekend we're gonna do some crazy shit. So tune in. I'm gonna record for real. I'm gonna pop up. Got a new camera, hopefully coming in, so some better footage. But yeah, shit. Make sure y'all like my shit, bro. Subscribe, follow, all that. And yes, sir.